bathi ukusheka ngesizulu nje yami.
Oh, qhaqhazela.
Waqhaqhazela. Go, where's the phone? Manje uyaqhaqhazela ngemfiniso. Qhaqhaqa. Why you qhaqhazeling, my brother? Relax, go.
Siba. Hawu. King.
You. Kanu irala mo, no motor lo mrata.
Baby. It's ngikutshale everything, yeah. It's ngikutshale everything. Okay, baby, stop.
My brother, do you know me?
My man, you think I'm scared of you?
Do you know me?
You think I'm scared
My
of
brother, do you know what is this?
You can't even carry it. You can't even carry it.
My brother, do you know me?
You can't carry it.
Do you know me?
Can you carry it?
My brother, do you know me?
Pull up the stainer, my brother.
Why not?
Me, I hit you with a serious stainer with your girlfriend. Why not pull up with the original one? Let's see what you're going to do.
Why not?
My boy.
No, I do. I love protecting women.
Oh.
I learned martial arts so I can protect the love of my life.
Oh. That's so sweet, my brother. Not beat her, right?
No, not beat her. I beat anyone that touches her.
That's true. This in the
Like,
picture.
what the fuck is this, man? King
You didn't even finish I love you, my nigga.
King
You didn't even finish it. Let's say sex.
Can you please write sex? I wanna see it. Hey, banna.
Oh.
Hey, banna.